So in this brief video, I am going to show you how we can conduct arithmetic operations with raster datasets. So under this context, I am going to calculate NDVI without using inbuilt functions inside Google Earth Engine to calculate NDVI value. So first of all, I have copied some lines of codes from previous dataset. Therefore, for those who were not during the last my lectures, I will first explain you what are these codes for. So first of all, I have created the region of interest and extracted Sri Lanka for my study area. For that, I have used a vector dataset which is available in Google Earth Engine, which has all the geopolitical boundaries of the world. And then I have again imported Landsat 8 image collection, which is not the raw datasets but the atmospherically calibrated dataset. And then I have selected all the images from year of 2017. Out of those images, I have sorted them based on the cloud cover and selected the first image. So basically what I did here is that I have selected the least cloud cover image out of all the images. So in order to calculate NDVI, we have to understand the simple arithmetic operation or the calculation procedure of the NDVI. So for that, in the USGS website, they have mentioned with Landsat 8, we can calculate the NDVI using band 5 and band 4. Therefore, we have to save band 5 and band 4 from the selected cloud cover image in two variables. So first of all, I'll save the NIR band, and we can select it by writing a select function. And then I'll save the red band. And finally, we can compute the NDVI value, and I am going to save it in NDVI variable here. So for that, NIR band, and we are going to subtract that from the red band. And divide the whole thing by the value addition of NIR band red band. So likewise, we can conduct the NDVI calculation, and then we have to define the NDVI visualization parameters. So first of all, we have to specify the minimum and maximum values. And we can also give a color palette. And finally, we can edit into a display. And make sure to add all the arguments for this add layer function. So now let's run the program. So the problem is that use in uppercase. Now let's run it again. So now you can see how NDVI values are distributed over Sri Lanka. So that's it from this video. See you in the next video.